All right, hey guys, it is LyftingTitan here with Realms Gaming, and I wanted to do a C++ masterclass on everything I've learned in my game development program that I actually just left due to some discrimination for my autism, but I know a lot. I want to share this with you guys, and my comp sci professor did not teach. She was not good at explaining the concepts. I have autism, and so if my partner, who's also um, non-neurodivergent, right? He has a normal brain, wasn't getting it, and I for sure as hell wasn't getting it. I wanted to do a master class to make some side cash to kind of help those of you who might actually want to learn in-depth C++. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop in here. And the sections that this is going to cover. Introduction to computers. So this is going to be super important, guys. Because if you don't understand how a computer works, you don't understand what binary is, you're going to have a hard time with this course. I'm also going to include this one free, so this will be a free section. Each section I want to kind of break up into 20-minute sections. So, section 1 might be 2 or 3 20-minute videos. I want to keep them short. I want to keep them sweet so you guys can learn. Section 2, Intro to C++. Again, probably going to make that also a free one. Again, same time of length. Then we're going to go to input, output, control structures, user-defined functions, user-defined simple data types, namespaces and string type, array and strings, and then records. And then I kind of broke it up from here. That's kind of the first C++ course you'd have in college. Going to break that up with an Unreal Engine 5 overview. I want to kind of touch on some of the stuff I've learned in Unreal 5. Then we're going to go into sections 11 through 20, which are the very hard concepts in C++. So inheritance and composition, also going to kind of show how that works in Unreal Engine 5. Pointers, classes, virtual functions, overloading, exception handling, recursion, linked lists, all the good stuff. The course layout and structure, lecture with the PowerPoint, so kind of what I'm doing now, kind of like a virtual whiteboard. Hands-on in the development software, which I'm going to go over here next. Follow-up exercises and questions. So, here's the end of the lecture. Can you guys answer these questions? I'll also do videos kind of explaining those concepts kind of as a bonus too. Code examples, so actual code examples of what we're covering in the lectures and PowerPoints. And then support with me whenever needed via Discord. I still need to set that up. So I'm going to go over really quick here the IDE installation and setup. And if you're completely new to this, what the hell is an IDE? An integrated development environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities for software development. An IDE normally consists of at least a source code editor, build automation tools, and debugger. These are the two most widely used. As somebody who also knows Python, VS Code I preferred for Python. For this class and course, it's going to be Visual Studio Community 2022, all in one for C++. You don't have to do any command line or .dll installations for it to run. Powerful and versatile, modern web, mobile, and desktop apps. And then VS Code is lightweight and extensible. It's available on iOS and Linux and Windows. Web, mobile, and desktop. I actually like doing HTML in VS Code. If you guys are doing web design or development, and you don't want to pay for Adobe Dreamweaver, which I also use, VS Code is the way to go for HTML. Extensive setup to compile and run C++. And then you guys are also free to use any IDE of your choice. And let me go ahead and just really quickly. So when you open Visual Studio, it's going to pretty much be like this. I'm not going to go through how to make a new anything. I'm just going to open one of the programs I have. And then as you guys can see, this is the IDE, and we will go over all of this. This is actually a C++ program to take basically all my personal training clients, height, weight, age, all that good stuff, and put out their macronutrient intake. But I will go over all of this, in depth. It actually outputs it to a text file, which is kind of nice. And this also has header files and stuff like that. So, but that is going to be the end of this kind of intro video to the course. Obviously, the actual course content is going to be, 15, 20 minutes of video, 2 to 5 videos per, section, depending on what we're doing. I know with my autism, I can't, focus for longer than 15-20 minutes, especially in class. So I'm going to try to keep it at that. So thank you guys so much. If you're interested, stay tuned. I'm going to start working on section 1 today. As always, guys, peace, love, unity, and respect, and I will catch you next time.